Hi, my name is Kjnate and welcome to Gardening with Kjnate. So today we have another unboxing video. I did order a little lime punch to go into the backyard as well once the temperatures have cooled down, but I'm waiting just a little while longer so we can get some consistency. So let's open the box and see what we have. I'm really excited because I do have one little lime punch in the back that's already planted, but I actually need a couple more because they are really pretty. And I do remember Jenny with Gardening with Creekside said that we will get a little color because normally they will go from this pretty green or chartreuse color to brown because we're so hot in zone 8A. So let's see what we have, you guys. I am going to once again open this from the very bottom because I find myself again losing less leaves when I do such. So let's get into it. Poke out these sides. This is also, oh, how pretty. I'm just gonna put this box to the side. So, oh, I did lose a stem, you guys. That's okay, it's a part of shipping. That's why I always love to go in the store, get my flowers, but unfortunately around here is not a lot of places that sells proven winter hydrangeas because again, we're so hot. So that's okay, it's okay, that'll grow back. One thing about a hydrangea from Proven Winners is they will grow back. And I don't see the tag. All right. So on the side here, it just says that it is a little lime punch. Fortunately, I'm familiar with this plant. So this, I think, will get around, you know what? I have a tag in the back. So this will get around, I think it's 4 to 5 feet tall. And I also make sure that I put my hydrangeas on irrigation. I already have that set up, so I just connect it to irrigation because hydrangeas require a lot of water when we are gardening in a zone that's this hot. But y'all, this is gorgeous. And you can see a little pink tinge. And unfortunately, this is what happens when you order from a big box store. I ordered this from Home Depot, and sometimes you get your tags and sometimes you don't. So I'm not worried about it. I know this will grow back. I know it's going to be beautiful. I just hate I don't have a tag because you never know exactly what you're getting unless you have a tag. But it does have it on the side of the box, which is perfectly fine. But these are gorgeous. Look how big. Look at my hand. Look how big that bloom is. Can you see it, baby? This bloom is absolutely stunning. So this is another plant that I will put in my stash. I'm waiting on a few more things to come in that I have mail ordered to get everything planted up at once. Super excited. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. This is a very new channel, so any subscriptions will be appreciated. So you guys have an awesome day. Cannot wait to get all these beautiful things planted.